I was thinking the other day that I quite like the idea of having levels in an RPG because it gives the player something to look forward to, leveling up. But I don't like the idea of allowing them to just level up to the max level and making the entire game um, zero difficulty, etc. Now, there's obviously different ways around this, but one idea that I came up with was just having some way of manipulating the max level at different times. Um, Now, I probably should have checked beforehand, but I don't think there's a built-in way of changing the max level as you go. So I was wondering if I could try and build that. So obviously you have max level here, but built in, I don't think there's a way of changing this as your game is progressing. So let's see if we can do that then. Um, I've got a template here, just some generic code that I've added some details to. Got a parameter ready in case we need that, and also a command ready in case we need that. Although, yeah, I've not got this part yet. Let's just copy that in. Hmm. Yep, this here, although I think that's a bit over the top. I don't know if we need that. It's fine, we'll just use it. Okay, there's the plugin name. Um, let's just go straight in with the commands. We'll say change max level, change max level, change max level of an actor, actor ID, the actor ID, and this is going to be number. And then we'll say delta, I guess, level delta. And the amount to change the level by can be plus or minus. Now, I'm making this a plugin just for ease of use, but it's going to be a function. It's just going to be a function that changes the max level, I believe. So the plugin command will call the function. I will show you how to do a script call that will just call the function. So the plugin command will be very restricted. You need to just type in here what you're working with. But the script call means you can use variables. So if you, I don't know, maybe you're using an item or something that will change the max level, then you can call the script command and then pass in a variable for the actor ID if you don't know who it is exactly. Something like that could work. Let's see. We'll copy this again, but change it slightly. change max level all of all actors. So we don't need that one, we just need the level change. Change max level all. Actor ID. Or default to just nothing. Level delta. Or nothing. So this one only has this. Right, well, let's have a look. I was taking a little peek at this before. This here, max level was this dot actor. Okay, this dot actor just simply takes the data actor. So what we probably want to do is in this init members and then in setup, we will create a max level on the object itself, and that way we can save it. So let's just go don't. We'll make a little header here, game actor. And then we're going to alias this. Game actor. And we'll just add this. Max level equals 0 or something. And then we'll call what we aliased or what we saved, pass in this. Let's say actor note tags. I know what, that's silly. The default max level is just what's in the database. That's what we'll say. So when we're setting up based on the actual actor we're worried about, we will just make max level equal to the max level in here. What is all this Windows nonsense going on? Okay, actor ID. Alright, so because this is calling a different function, we need to grab the actor again, and then we can use it. So we'll say this dot max level equals just dot max level, it looks like. So I'm hoping I can just use this now. Let's overwrite this one to just return this max level like that. So let's add a couple of events. This person will give us experience. Let's get rid of the music. I don't think I need to go into battle for this one. So level 4, level 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, so Reed is locked in at level 10 for now. He's got these dashes, which mean he's at the max level. Cool. So technically nothing has really changed, because if we just set this and did it normally, then it would kind of just look the same. Oh, wrong thing. So here we go. Now we have something to work with. We will say actor ID and level delta. And this is just level delta. I don't know how much negative I want to be working with. If you change the level down, seems like there'll be a lot of problems with doing it that way. I should probably make a parameter for minimum level. Absolute minimum level. And then we'll make one for the absolute maximum as well. I'll say 99 again. How do we get the parameters from this again? Let's see. Do I use parameters? Ba-ba-bum. Plugin manager, parameters, and then the name. Okay. Let's just copy all of that. So params, this will be plugin name. I will just use the number one twice. Min level params dot min level or 1. Max level So when we're setting the level, I will clamp, so it's actor dot max level is equal to actor dot max level plus level. Now can we just do dot clamp like that? Or do we need to wrap this in a function? Let's see. Really? There's no just regular clamp? I guess that's fine, doing a max and min. That's just the only way. Right, it's determined to use this then. That's weird, I could have sworn I've used clamp before. Right, so we'll just say const result level equals, this is the target, and then we'll just pass that in as the value. So what this line does is says math.max is get the highest number from these two. So it's either take the level or take the minimum level. So the point being, if the result level goes into the minuses, the minimum level will become the value. And then the opposite for min, it says take the lowest number, and then we pass in the result of the maximum or the max level. So you're saying which one is smaller out of the two, the result of this or the maximum level, because you want the maximum level to be obviously the smaller number if this goes higher than the max level. Okay, so that's fine. Let's say const actor equals game actors dot actor ID. I'll say set level, pass in the actor, and then pass in so really level should be the level, and we are not interested in doing this because we are setting the level to this. We don't want to be manipulating it inside here. So this just sets the max level. This isn't altering their current level, so I may need to add a little to do here. They are above the current max. Maybe need to loop through every actor here. So how do you get all actors? Let's see, game actors. Maybe loop through all data actors and then pass in. Okay, let's see. Data actors dot length, and then we will say game actor is equal to game actors dot actor. We pass in data actors I dot actor ID. Is it just ID? Let's just echo out, or we'll console log the first actor, and we'll just see what's in there. So this person is going to do something. Oh, you know what? Funny thing, the previous code, or the previous test, that really was just behaving like normal because I hadn't added the plugin. Right, so I guess we can try again. Plugin command, this one, change max level for everyone. Let's say 1. So let's see, we'll just talk a billion times. It's level 10, still level 10. Okay. So this time it's working fine. So we add on another level. And what came out? Just ID, not actor ID. There we go. So now we're looping through each game actor. No, there's probably a simpler way of doing that, but this works. And then we can say max level utility, set level, pass in the game actor, and then pass in the level. So it'll be game actor dot max level plus level delta. So we'll talk about a million times to get to level 10. Okay, still level 10. So we'll talk to this person. 67, line 67. Okay, let's see. If data actor is null, we will just continue and skip this line. That's probably the problem here was probably that when you start at 0, we maybe just start at 1 and we can skip that. But when you start at 0, the very first actor is null. So we were saying null.id, which obviously isn't a thing, so it was breaking. Let's go again. Okay, we're level 10. Talk to this person. Now let's see if we can get... Now suddenly... This is weird, but it seems like it is going to let us get to the next level. So we'll talk. We jumped to level 12. So it seems like you can still get experience. Level 15, level 16. I wonder what the max level apparently is now. It should have been 1. It should have went up 1 time. I keep opening that. I should close it. I could maybe also skip this whole thing and just say for each of the data actors, we will get the actor for that. Game actors, nothing, continue. That seems a bit smarter, but it still doesn't, or it probably shouldn't fix the problem anyway. Let's echo out what we assume is the max level now. Okay, let's go. Boom. 99. Well, that makes me think this is wrong then.